Hello, I'm Victoria from Renaissance Capital, and I want to show you a brand new feature from our big IPO Pro 2.0 update, online roadshows. The roadshow is a presentation given by a company to generate interest in their IPO. So now when you see a deal you're interested in, you can watch the roadshow to hear what their management is telling potential investors. As soon as the roadshow is published online, we post it to the company's profile in IPO Pro. So let me show you what I'm talking about. This is the Elanco IPO profile. They're scheduled to trade the 21st. So you come down here to the offering data box and you'll find the roadshow link. Just click that over. This one's on roadshow access. Proceed. And here we are at the roadshow. So whenever the roadshow is available, we will put the link to the roadshow on profiles in IPO Pro for scheduled IPOs. All right, that completes our tour of the Net Roadshow. You can sign up for a free trial of IPO Pro right now to start watching these and to get ahead of the upcoming IPOs. Thank you for watching.